Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.2 Androcles and the Lion from standard 8th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.2 Androcles and the Lion या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A. Match the phrases in column A in their meanings in the column B. Column A आणि column B यामध्ये दिलेल्या वाक्यप्रचारांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. Answer 1. Looking out for means trying to search for. 2. Face to face means in front of each other. 3. Summon up courage means try to be brave. 4. Rage melted means anger vanished. 5. Be moved by means filled with soft feelings. Next question. Question number B. Read the following sentences from the story. गोष्टीमधून खालील वाक्ये वाचा. 1. They were bound by law to obey their master. 2. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. The word bound carries 3 different meanings in each of the sentences. A. Rushed forward. B. Forced to follow. And C. Tied up. वरील 3 वाक्यामध्ये बाउंड हा शब्द 3 वेगवेगळ्या अर्थाने वापरलेला आहे. Put the correct letter A or B or C in the boxes according to the proper meaning. वरील वाक्यासमोर दिलेल्या चौकटीत बाउंड या शब्दाचा योग्य अर्थ दर्शवणारे अल्फाबेट लिहा. Answer 1. They were bound by law to obey their master. Answer B means forced to follow. 2. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. Answer C means tied up. 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. Answer A means rushed forward. Next question. Question number C. Now translate each of the 3 sentences A, B, C into your medium of instruction. A, B आणि C मधील प्रत्येक वाक्य तुमच्या मातृभाषेत भाषांतर करा. Answer B. त्यांना त्यांच्या मालकाचे नियम पाळणे कायद्याने बंधनकारक आहे. C. त्या दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाचा जखमी पंजा घट्ट बांधला. A. सिंहाने अँड्रोक्लसकडे पुन्हा झेप घेतली. Next question. Question number 2A. Find from the story the antonyms, opposite words of the following. गोष्टीमधून पुढील शब्दांचे विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधून लिहा. 1. Kind, opposite word cruel. 2. Poor, opposite word wealthy. 3. Slave, opposite word master. 4. High, opposite word low. 5. Punishment, opposite word reward. 6. Unbound, opposite word bound. 7. Tender, opposite word tough. 8. Happy, opposite word unhappy. Conduct the game of synonyms and antonyms in the class. आणि तुमच्या वर्गामध्ये समानार्थी शब्द व विरुद्धार्थी शब्द यांचा खेळ खेळा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B. Find from the story 5 words that describe the sounds made by the lion. गोष्टीमधून सिंहाचा आवाज किंवा ध्वनी व्यक्त करणारे 5 शब्द शोधून लिहा. Answer moan, growl, whimper, bound, roar आणि purr. Next question. Question number 3. Write the reaction that followed the actions given below. पुढील प्रत्येक क्रियापाठोपाठ होणाऱ्या प्रतिक्रिया लिहा. A. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he felt death was better than serving such a master, and he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. B. The lion looked at Androcles piteously, so Androcles paused and then he moved very consciously towards the lion and saw that the lion's paw was wounded, sore and swollen. 3. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, so the lion licked his arm as if to show gratitude, which surprised and wondered Androcles. Next, D. The hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena, so Androcles was filled with fear, but he showed he was not afraid. E. The lion reached Androcles and then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted, and it recognized its friend. F. The emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, so he replied that he didn't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Next question. Question number 4. Write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about the following. पुढील प्रश्नांची 3 ते 4 ओळीत तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात उत्तरे लिहा. 1. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. प्राचीन रोममधील गुलाम लोकांची परिस्थिती. Answer. Slavery in ancient Rome played an important role in the society and the economy. Besides mutual labor, slaves performed many domestic services and might be employed at high-skilled jobs. Accountants and physicians were often slaves. Greek slaves in particular used to be highly educated. Unskilled slaves worked on farms, in mines and at mills. Their living conditions were miserable and their lives short. Next question. 2. Qualities of Androcles. Androclesची गुणवैशिष्ट्ये. Answer. I think Androcles was a very kind man. So, when he saw the lion in pain, he did not think about his life, whereas he thought about the lion's distress and tried to help him. He was kind, cooperative, understanding, sensitive, brave, courageous, and friendly by nature. Next question. Question number 3. Even wild animals can be our friends. रानटी प्राणी सुद्धा आपले मित्र बनू शकतात. स्पष्ट करा. Answer. Yes. Even when wild animals can be our friends because they have also feelings and emotions. If we help them, definitely they will not be cruel with us. They know how to give reaction to our action. If we treat them cruelly, definitely they will be cruel with us. And if we treat them friendly and affectionately, they can be our friends. Next question. Question number 5. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to animals or how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. प्राणीमात्रांवर दया करणे किंवा प्राणी माणसांशी कसे दयाळूपणे वागू शकतात ही गोष्ट वर्गात सांगा आणि तुमच्या वहीत ही गोष्ट लिहून तिला योग्य शीर्षक द्या. Answer. Faithful dog. Moti was a dog living with Pintu's family. It was kind and loving to all the family members. One day, Pintu's wife was working in a backyard, and Moti was sitting nearby and watching over her child in the cradle. When Pintu came back from his work, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down and blood everywhere. He saw Moti lying quietly with blood on his mouth and body. He got so angry that he picked up an axe and hit Moti. The poor faithful dog cried out in pain and died. His wife ran inside when she heard Moti's loud cries. She rushed to the cradle and lifted her little son, who was perfectly safe and sleeping peacefully. Then she saw a dead snake lying nearby. Pintu came forward and realized that his dog had fought and killed the snake to save the baby. He realized his mistake, that he had killed his loyal dog without thinking. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 8वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.2 अँड्रोक्लस अँड द लॉयन या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.